Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we're diving into the best all-in-one hacking tools for beginners in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your skills, these tools will set you on the right path. We're talking about the heavy hitters, the tools that make cybersecurity professionals' lives easier, and the ones that'll have you feeling like you're in a Hollywood hacking montage in no time. We're going to break down each tool, its strengths, why it's perfect for beginners, and some key features that make it stand out. So buckle up, grab your favorite energy drink, and let's get hacking. First up, we have Metasploit, and let me tell you, this is not your average hacking tool. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cybersecurity, packed with features and exploits that'll make you wonder how you ever lived without it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Exploits? Sounds complicated, but trust me, Metasploit makes it incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. Its interface is super intuitive, almost like navigating a well-designed app, and it guides you every step of the way. Think of it like this. You want to test the security of a system, right? Metasploit acts as your digital battering ram, but instead of brute force, it uses known vulnerabilities, these exploits, to safely simulate real-world attacks. And the best part? Metasploit has a massive and active community. So if you ever get stuck, there's a ton of documentation, tutorials, and forums where you can find help. It's like having a global support team at your fingertips. But what really sets Metasploit apart is its ease of use. You don't need to be a coding wizard to use it effectively. It's got pre-built modules and a straightforward command line interface that makes hacking accessible to everyone. Imagine being able to test your own network's defenses, identify vulnerabilities before someone else does, all with a few lines of code. That's the power of Metasploit. It's like having a superpower, but instead of flying or invisibility, you have the ability to expose weaknesses and make systems more secure. And that's pretty awesome if you ask me. So whether you're just starting your ethical hacking journey or you're looking for a powerful tool to add to your arsenal, Metasploit is definitely worth checking out. Trust me, once you go Metasploit, you won't go back. Next up, we have Nmap, the network mapper that's like having X-ray vision for your network. Seriously, this tool can see everything connected to your network, from printers and routers to smartphones and hidden devices you didn't even know existed. But Nmap is more than just a network inventory tool. It's a powerful reconnaissance tool that can help you identify open ports, running services, and even the operating system of a target device. Imagine being able to see all the entry points of a network, like a blueprint highlighting every door and window. That's what Nmap does. It gives you the lay of the land before you even attempt to step foot inside. And the best part? Nmap is incredibly versatile. It runs on pretty much every platform you can think of. Windows, macOS, Linux, you name it. It's like that friend who gets along with everyone at the party. But what really makes Nmap stand out is its comprehensive feature set. We're talking port scanning, OS fingerprinting, service version detection, and a whole lot more. It's like having a Swiss Army knife of network scanning tools all rolled into one. Think about it. You're tasked with securing a network. Where do you even begin? Nmap gives you the initial reconnaissance, the intel you need to plan your attack, or in this case, your defense. It's like having a superpower, but instead of super strength or speed, you have the ability to see through walls and understand the inner workings of any network. And that's a pretty valuable skill to have in the world of cybersecurity. So whether you're a seasoned security professional or just starting out, Nmap is an essential tool that should be in every ethical hacker's arsenal. It's powerful, versatile, and will give you the insights you need to master the art of network security. Trust me, once you go Nmap, you'll never look at a network the same way again. Now let's talk about Wireshark, the network traffic analyzer that's like having a microscope for your network data. We're talking about the ability to capture and analyze every single packet of information flowing across your network, kind of like being able to read the language of your devices. But Wireshark isn't just for tech-savvy gurus. It's surprisingly beginner-friendly, with a clean interface and color-coded packets that make it easy to understand what you're looking at. Think of it like this. Your network is a highway, and Wireshark is the traffic camera, capturing every car, truck, and motorcycle that passes by. It lets you see who's talking to whom, what they're saying, and even how fast they're going. And the best part? Wireshark is open source and constantly being updated by a massive community of developers. That means you're getting a powerful tool that's always evolving and improving, completely free of charge. But what really sets Wireshark apart is its deep dive analysis capabilities. We're talking about the ability to filter packets by protocol, source and destination IP addresses, and even specific data patterns. It's like having a detective's magnifying glass for your network traffic. Imagine being able to troubleshoot network issues, identify security threats, and even reverse engineer network protocols, all with one tool. That's the power of Wireshark. It's like having a superpower, but instead of telekinesis or time travel, you have the ability to understand the language of your network. And that's a pretty valuable skill to have in today's interconnected world. So whether you're a network administrator, a security analyst, or just curious about what's happening on your network, Wireshark is an essential tool that should be in your toolkit. It's powerful, versatile, and will give you the insights you need to become a network traffic ninja. Trust me, once you go Wireshark, you'll never look at network traffic the same way again. Alright, let's talk about AirCrackEng, the Wi-Fi security auditing tool that's like having a master key for your wireless network. And when I say master key, I mean it can test the security of your Wi-Fi, potentially even cracking passwords if they're not strong enough. Now, before you start thinking about becoming the neighborhood Wi-Fi Robin Hood, remember, ethical hacking is key. AirCrackEng is a powerful tool, but it should only be used on your own networks or with explicit permission. Think of it like this. Your Wi-Fi network is your castle, and AirCrackEng is the friendly locksmith who shows you where the weak points are, so you can reinforce them before someone with less than noble intentions comes knocking. But what makes AirCrackEng so special? First off, it's completely free and open source, which means you're getting a top-tier security tool without spending a dime. It's like finding a hidden treasure chest full of digital lockpicks. But here's the real kicker. AirCrackEng is incredibly effective. It uses advanced techniques to capture Wi-Fi packets, analyze network traffic, and even crack WEP and WPA/PSK passwords if they're not up to snuff. Imagine being able to test your own Wi-Fi security, identify vulnerabilities, and make sure your network is truly secure. That's the power of AirCrackEng. It's like having a superpower, but instead of super speed or teleportation, you have the ability to see through the walls of wireless networks and understand their weaknesses. And in a world increasingly reliant on Wi-Fi, that's a pretty valuable skill to have. So, whether you're a security enthusiast, a network administrator, or just want to make sure your home Wi-Fi is Fort Knox level secure, AirCrackEng is an essential tool that should be in your arsenal. It's powerful, versatile, and will give you the insights you need to become a Wi-Fi security master. Trust me, once you go AirCrackEng, you'll never look at a Wi-Fi network the same way again. Finally, let's talk about Burp Suite, the web vulnerability scanner that's like having a fine-tooth comb for your web applications. We're talking about the ability to uncover hidden security flaws, test for common vulnerabilities, and make sure your web apps are as secure as Fort Knox. Now, I know what you're thinking. Web vulnerability scanning? Sounds complicated, but trust me, Burp Suite makes it surprisingly accessible, even for beginners. Think of it like this. Your web application is like a house, and Burp Suite is the home inspector, meticulously checking every nook and cranny for potential security risks. It's like having a personal security consultant for your web apps. But what makes Burp Suite so special? First off, it's incredibly comprehensive. We're talking about a suite of tools that can handle everything from intercepting and modifying web traffic to automating complex attack scenarios. It's like having a Swiss Army knife of web security tools all rolled into one. But here's the real kicker. Burp Suite is incredibly powerful. It can identify a wide range of vulnerabilities, including SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and even those pesky zero-day exploits that keep security professionals up at night. Imagine being able to test your own web applications, identify vulnerabilities before they're exploited, and ensure that your users' data is safe and sound. That's the power of Burp Suite. It's like having a superpower, but instead of super strength or invisibility, you have the ability to see the web through the eyes of an attacker and understand how to defend against their malicious intentions. And in today's digital landscape, that's a pretty valuable skill to have. So, whether you're a web developer, a security tester, or just someone who cares about web security, Burp Suite is an essential tool that should be in your arsenal. It's powerful, versatile, and will give you the insights you need to build and maintain secure web applications. Trust me, once you go Burp Suite, you'll never look at web security the same way again. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Let us know in the comments which tool you're excited to try out. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use these tools ethically and responsibly, and always strive to learn and grow in the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep on hacking.